Who's this? This is Caesar?
That's Ramone.
Ramone? So we're trying to remove this. Ramone, do you want to help me with the wire cutters here? No? Okay, we're gonna cut this. Do you want to hold these for a second? No, probably not. This is Ramone. These guys are being difficult. I'm trying to set this up.
Vamos a comprobar. Yo creo que sí, no va a salir. Ya. Puedes traerte la escalera que está por allá. Nosotros no vamos a alcanzar, así que...
How do we,
Allá por donde están los capuchinos, a tu mano derecha hay una escalera. Tráela, por favor.
Okay. Hi, buddy. Thank you.
Ábreme la puerta, por favor.
Okay. Guys, I'm trying to help him. Help her. Okay. My monkey friend. This is Ernie. He's probably my favorite here so far. His tail was clipped, so he can't fly. He's also a baby. So he was abandoned. And we have to basically feed him with tweezers. So we pull him out. I hold him in my hands, and then somebody feeds him with tweezers, one maggot at a time, just like a mother would drop the food down in his throat. But he's so adorable. I just can't believe somebody would clip his poor tail. But I'm gonna say bye to him now. I was working on his shelter to give him a new thing to keep it dark. Okay,
Okay. Oh. Vamos a darle un poco más. Lluvia. Otro más. Oh, no. Ahí está, ya está. Muy bien, bonito, muy bien. Precioso ahí el mamá. Le ponemos la cucaracha. ¡Cucaracha!
Oh yeah, that's so much better for his claw. You okay?
Good job, buddy!
Yay.
Yay! Look at you go!
He looks much more natural on that.
Where did that cockroach go?
She just took it.
Oh. Look up. Maybe we should just leave it there. Déjalo ahí nomás.
Alright, good night.
Does Mike really want to see it?
This is Mike's favorite animal at the Amazon shelter. There's his nameplate, Ernie. I wish I didn't make it so zoomed. There we go. Okay, I need to come on this side.
Los choros yo también lo hago.
Okay.
Sí.
Delicious.
Mira qué lindo. So cool, so good.
We're having a fun time today, aren't we?
Just feel his wings trying to get out.
I don't know how big the cubes are.
Oh,
Like these two are supposed to last all of us?
Yeah. Do these no.
Oh,
So these 4. So like
wow.
even maybe like half of that.
Hi, little buddy. Oh, these bugs. Oh, it's okay. Okay, we gotta.
Yeah, we gotta go. There we go. Come on. You're so adorable.
Maybe because he's bullied.
There we go. Want to get some food?
Mike and his birds.
I don't know how to get them off.
Just go up to a branch. He's trying to eat your ear.
Go ahead. Really like it. Oh my goodness, he's so soft. Platform. No. Oh my god, I love the little cooing.
I love that they split up into like their species. Like they've got these two are like over here. They are over there.
Okay.
Keep helping him up. He's on the ground. Seems like a bad place for a bird. So, where are we gonna put you? You gonna hop up? There you go. Much better place to be. Does he know the food came, so he's coming down slowly?
Yeah.
Good morning. Is that a sneeze? So his wings are clipped, which is why he can't fly. So I fed him across the room. And he's slowly going around the obstacle course. He smells his breakfast. Ever so slowly. It's almost funny watching them like try to traverse, but kind of sad at the same time that somebody would clip their wings, so this is the only way they can move. You guys aren't going to make it to breakfast if you just sit on each other. Don't you see breakfast? Breakfast is over there. So I just fed these guys. I'm in the cage with them. And these are juvenile Howler monkeys. Howler monkeys.
Howler monkeys.
And that's what I just fed them, and I'm told they might scratch me, but they shouldn't bite. But these guys are pretty docile.
Right now they're eating the banana leaf.
You gonna help? You wanna help? Hi. You gonna inspect it? There you go. Oh. Get her to hop, Ashley. Oh.
Sabrina, there's one, this branch, we need to take it out, put the new one on it, that one we need to use.
She's so funny. Hi. Sabrina. Sabrina. Hi. Oh, you're so funny. You're so funny. Are you biting my pants? Are you trying to eat me? Are you trying to eat me? Oh.
So I'm making friends. This is okay. Hey guys. Okay.
Yeah, yeah.
Well, now they're being so well behaved.
Sorry, I didn't scare you.
How much?
Just like halfway, it's fine. It gets refilled twice, changed twice a day, so they don't drink much.
Okay. These are the tamarins. This is where you come in. It's 6 a.m. at Amazon Shelter on our last day here. December 14th, 2019. These are the baby tamarins. Well, I don't know if they're babies, but they're so small. I just always see them like babies. And there's a tamarind, a wild tamarind, on the outside here.
So Ashley's sinking into the Tambopata River.
Maybe not. That last step was
Oh my god, you're deep.
that last step was very wobbly, and then this step was.
That reminds me actually of the Macaws. When we went and got off the boat, we were sinking into the mud like that.
But we had sandflies all over us. Oh god.
Do you need help?
Nope. Almost lost my boot.
Hey Violetta, how are you? Alright. You're very pretty. Violetta.
This is Valentina the deer eating lunch.
Ashley's made a new friend.
Don't bite my kneecap, please.
And that's
I felt your
Matteus
teeth.
eating in the top left of the screen there. And Frank wandering in the background. Got all sorts of animals here. So she's looking for salt.
Oh, I have lots of salt on my hands.
So my understanding is she likes salt naturally, but there's none here, and
Oh, do you think that's why?
somebody told me it's the salt, like she likes minerals.
There's tons of salt in my body.
And where she'd be naturally, there'd be more minerals and salt licks, but they don't have that here.
They do. Yeah, Salt Lick.
Well, not like here.
Right. I'm surprised because the macaws need it and the parrots.
Well, I think the idea is to not keep them here for long enough that it matters.
Yeah. But I mean, he's never leaving.
Well,
right?
actually, yeah, no.
No, he's never leaving.
He's been here like more than 10 years.
Could even do just a rock salt.
Yeah. Yeah, we have them at.
Maggie will probably take you on like a tour tomorrow, and she'll tell you all of like the.
I saw on their Instagram that Frank had a pretty sad story. Hi, Frank.
This is Frank the Tapir at lunchtime. Oh my gosh, his large penis is just dangling. I just noticed. It was hanging on the ground the other day. I wasn't here, but holy.
Just can't believe he's lying down like a. I guess this is why he was considered a pet inside somewhere. We're on a motorcycle thing with our machetes. Ready to go chopping. So we went up 8 years ago. I've had trouble getting up this. I take like a couple running pushes. Yeah, this is beautiful through here. It is very, very, very hot. Ah, buenos dias. Oh.
Oh, your water is disgusting, Pancho. Your water is disgusting. Oh, they gave him the stuff.
He's just following you around.
Give you some water. Okay, Pancho.
Seems a little less playful today. Oh, here he comes. Oh, jeez.
Yeah. Stay away. You're the cutest thing. Alright, I'll come back. We have to feed our animals.
Bye.
He can be there. Just can't go in. Yes.
Is he just gonna jump in the tray?
No. I wish he would. That'd make it a lot easier. Wouldn't it, bud? Pancho!
Hey, buddy.
Yeah, it's really
It's
food.
such a funny shape, like gate.
He'll sometimes like look at me.
Oh, so cute. Here we are, Benny. Here we are, Benny. Hi. Yeah? Not your butt rubbed? Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Look at your cute little foot. Hey, little Pancho. You're the sweetest one in the whole place. I love you. I think you're my favorite. I think you're my favorite. I'm not supposed to be playing with you though. I'm supposed to be making you wild again. Hey,
He might not be able to be released.
you might not be able to be released. I can play with you. Hello.
Hello.
Where are you?
I'm at the Amazon shelter on the Potoo River in Peru, and
What do you have up there?
a monkey that I drew,
And?
a sign that Lauren and I painted the background, and Ashley painted the rest. So we are
Yeah.
leaving behind a beautiful sign for the Howler monkeys.
Yeah. You left our mark, and I love it.
Oh, plus we fixed Ernie's cage.
Me, Mike,
multiple
and
monkey
Lauren.
cages. So, and I didn't get bitten.
Yay. I put my hand up at the perfect time. You little bugger. He's laughing. You little bugger. You gonna throw it at me again? Don't spit at me. You gonna throw that at me too? He's playing like peekaboo. Peekaboo. You gonna spit it at me?
Yeah, she was like, the squeaks were nice, but the hissing was kind of like, hey, screw off.
1 second, guys.
Don't spill the whole thing.
Yeah. So I put them over there.
It's one way to have your water. You guys ready for breakfast? That looks good. Yeah, you don't even need to worry about them, Ashley. They're all over here.
Don't they then throw it on the floor?
Yeah, but
They all put it down here?
Success, Ashley.
When perfecto.
You got the old tray?
I got the old tray. Perfect.
Tell me if Captain Barbosa is coming in.
Yeah, he's not.
Oh, they seem so sweet. The little guys.
He's not gonna come out. No, hey, let's go here. Do you remember this picture?
Be nice, Captain.
Okay. Quick. Okay, yeah, good. And close that door. Sorry, I'm probably stressing you out more than you need to be.
Well, it's just good to know, like, the other ones are friendly and just keep an eye on the one guy.
Yeah.
Almohados. Una loca es. Ahí está. Ya se levantó. Ay,
Qué preciosa es.
qué linda, ¿no? Uy, ya te la imaginas de este tamaño, ¿no? Como llegó. Vela, Lucy, le estoy diciendo si no hay cucarachas. Me dicen, no, ni una.
You're so precious. Hey, Ashley.
Ahí le pongo un poquito, porque que está un poco fría.
Thirsty?
¿Y las hojitas?
This is Ashley and a baby
¿Dónde
sloth.
está? Creo que la pusieron a un retrieve.
They don't know if it's a boy or a girl, so it's Louise or Louisa.
Chévere que me des hecho colgado. Acá está.
Hi, puppy.
All the wildlife.
Hojitas acá. Ahí, para que ella se vacile y las coma.
So thirsty.
Es-
This is Mike and a baby sloth.
Oh, he's licking me.
I don't know where his head is. Oh,
Sí, le pones más, hay que llenárselo ahí y se lo pones ahí al costado de su comida. Ahorita le voy a poner. No,
Very beautiful sloth.